Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up navigation menu on Canva. The first thing you want to do is select websites. After you have done that, you can select the type of website that you would like to create. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can see our blank website right here. Now, let's say, for example, I were to use one of these templates. Let's say this one. So you can see at the moment the website has 6 pages. But if we were to tap on preview in the top right hand corner from the top navigation bar, you can see how it looks at the moment. It does not have a navigation menu right here. I'm going to be showing you how to quickly fix that. All you'll need to do, beside each page, you're going to see the option to add notes, right where you see the pencil. You're going to tap right there. So this first page is going to be the home page. So I'm going to type in home right here. After doing that, you're going to scroll down and then you're going to tap at add notes once more. After you have tapped on add notes, this is going to be our about page. So we're going to type in about us. Then you can scroll down and you can name this page also. So this is going to be our services page. So we're going to type in services right here. Now you can continue naming each page that you would like to add on your navigation bar. Now if we were to tap on preview in the top right hand corner, you're going to realize that we now have a navigation bar, as you can see right here. So we have the home page and we have the services page. So if I were to publish this website real quick, let me do that. Tap on publish once more. Once it is published, you'll realize that I have the navigation bar for all 3 pages that I have created. So let's tap on view. So if I were to tap on services, you can see that it automatically carries us to the service page. If someone were to tap on home, it automatically carries them back to the home page. That's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.